Top foods for losing weight. Delicious and nutritious choices. Are you looking to shed some extra pounds and feel healthier? Well, look no further. In this video, we're going to talk about some of the best foods for weight loss. These foods are not only delicious, but also packed with nutrients to help you reach your goals. First up, we have fruits and vegetables. These colorful foods are full of vitamins, minerals, and fiber, which can help you feel full and satisfied while consuming fewer calories. Plus, they're low in fat and high in water content, making them the perfect choice for weight loss. Next, let's talk about lean proteins like chicken, turkey, and fish. Protein is important for building and repairing muscles, and it can also help you feel full and satisfied after meals. Try adding some lean protein to each meal to help keep you feeling satisfied and energized throughout the day.